happy Vlogmas day 17. I can't believe we're already at Vlogmas day 17. That's wild. But today is gonna be a super fun day. You'll probably already see it from the title, but we're gonna bake Christmas cookies. I'm going to my sister's house. We're gonna bake them with John, and then my sister's sister-in-law, Molly, is coming too. I think of her as like a sister of mine, but she's my brother-in-law's sister, if that makes sense. Anyway, we're gonna bake a bunch of Christmas cookies. I'm very excited. We're actually doing a little cookie exchange tomorrow with a few friends, so that's why we're doing the cookies today. And then tonight, Max planned a like surprise Christmas date. I don't know what we're doing. I have a few ideas, but he said it's outside. He said it's gonna be, I need to dress warm. I mean, if I'm being totally honest, I asked Max to plan something, partially just because I was like, we haven't done that many Christmas things, I feel like, and I want to. So he planned something for tonight. I have an idea of what it maybe is, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm excited. I think we're gonna go out to dinner, which is just really great because I don't have to cook. But for this morning, I already got Vlogmas up. I used my new computer and it is so fast and so great. I'm so happy with it. And everything like finished migrating last night. But I just put on a quick outfit for cookie baking, and then, and actually I think I'm gonna put this shirt on. I got these last year. Emily has one too. It says feeling the Christmas spirit, maybe 2 years ago, I don't know, but it's just this little like t-shirt from Old Navy. I gotta figure out what to wear. So he said it's gonna be cold. I would have wanted to maybe wear my leather leggings, but they're dirty, so I can't wear those. I haven't done my laundry in a while. So I'm thinking jeans, maybe black jeans, because I feel like that's like, I don't know what we're doing, so if it's like a nicer thing, I have black jeans. So wear black jeans, and then maybe wear, I think I'm gonna wear my brown booties I've been wearing all the time. Honestly, I feel like I always have to base my outfit around the shoes I'm wearing because I want my feet to be comfortable. Let me show you guys some options. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. So I could wear this, which is like this Abercrombie bodysuit. I really like this, but I wore this the last, we went to like those Christmas lights. So I feel like, also I kind of like wearing bodysuits with more like loose jeans. So I'm thinking skinny jeans for tonight, but this is an option. It's actually fairly warm, and obviously I'd probably wear a scarf. I could wear this, which is very holiday. It's a very warm sweater, and it's a little bit shorter. It's really thick though, so I feel like this would be a good option because it would be very warm. And then I could wear my black and white coat on top, or I could wear this, which is like more of a tunic. See, I think this is gonna like not be as cute, but this is like a tunic-y pullover, also warm but like a little less nice. So I feel like I don't want to wear this one, but it is very comfortable. The red sweater is the move. So red sweater, black jeans, brown boots, black and white coat, and maybe a scarf. Cut out. Welcome to Senta's workshop. Okay, making fudgy bonbons. Snow, I long to quilt of snow. Help you up? Help! That's John.
Oh, I think I still have white chocolate.
Emily's fixing the cookies that I messed up, right?
Right.
What you know?
We'll see.
To know about Emily is to know that she often forgets one or more ingredients, but apparently since becoming a mom, she's become, you know,
I'm a mom now, so I have to actually read the ingredients.
she actually reads the whole thing,
Yeah.
which was my mistake this time. I thought you could just combine everything and be fine. We're making snickerdoodles.
And then did you combine it all?
Oh, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh. 2 sticks of butter, not 1 stick of butter. Okay, well, it's okay.
So we were right, we could just have more butter. Turns out that was not right.
This over here to the
No,
side.
just put it in here. I mean, I can't separate it now, so
Well, but, okay.
it'll be fine. It's nice and soft.
Yeah. These taste like bad. I don't think they'll taste bad, but.
It's a cookie.
All right, I ended up wearing this sweater. I just got this from Nuuly. I'm gonna do a Nuuly haul in tomorrow's vlog, but it's like this off the shoulder teal sweater. It's like 60 degrees in Maryland right now, so there's no reason to be bundled up in that really warm red sweater. Then I'm wearing my black Good American jeans and just my little booties. And then I'm gonna bring this coat. Don't mind all the stuff here. I'm gonna bring this coat, which is also from Nuuly. I'm obsessed with it. It looks like a J. Crew coat. I'm really excited about it. Or am I just gonna see if I don't figure it out based on GPS?
Pretty much. Do you know now?
I do know now. So Max just informed me that tonight at the lights thing is actually like the dog night. What did you call it?
It's like pause night.
Pause night. So literally we're driving through the parking garage and it's just all dogs. Max was like, I didn't think people were gonna actually bring their dog. No, literally I can see like 3 dogs from here. You can see it, where is it?
Out here with the squad, everybody tryna go. Yeah, the party jumping off, and we putting on a show. Tryna catch a vibe, we do this every time. Like, na 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 na.
But
That's what we're gonna do next year. Really dominate the neighborhood.
do one of these in the front yard. Oh, that would be like as tall as the trees.
This is where I wanna be, na na na. Never ever gonna leave, na na na. You ain't gonna get it from me. I'm like, na 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 na. This is where I wanna stay, na na na. I could do this every day, na na na.
Why didn't you get us tickets to this?
Because you break your ankle.
Ice skating. It's gonna be a no for me, dog.
Like a whole shattered leg on
I know. Can you imagine?
We do it every time, like na 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 na. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side.